Guys, today, welcome back to my channel. Today, I just found a bird. It's still alive though, look. It's still moving because of my stupid dog. It's trying to beat it up. It's like biting it. Now I'm gonna put it somewhere safe. It's just a baby bird though. Just a baby bird. It's a baby bird. Found a baby bird. My stupid dog just want to eat the bird. It tries to kill it. Like, look, it has so many scars. Like, it's like hurt. We have to put it somewhere safe where my dog can't get it. Look, it's still a baby. I'm gonna tell Mom, look, because here's the mom of the dog. You stupid idiot dog. And the mom of this bird almost let this baby bird die. Like, it's really weird. And I know I'm not showing my face because my camera is really broken. Okay, so it looks like I'm about to put it here. It should be safe, but the mom. Wait, look! I found money! We hit the jackpot! We found money! We found money! Daddy! Daddy, nakakita akong pera. Okay, so here's the little bird. I've been holding it for hours right now. No plan where to put it because I'm super scared right now that it's gonna die. Probably gonna die. But what happened to the parents? Why the baby wanna die? Looks like this bird is trying to fly but it failed, and then my dog saw it and tried to eat it. Not gonna lie, this looked delicious though. Of course I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna put it somewhere safe. Wait, hey yo! So stupid, man. So stupid. So stupid. So stupid, man. Why are you so stupid, man? Dog. Rip. Rip, man. Rip. Nah, bruh. The baby bird has scars, man. The baby bird had scars. The little bird had scars. My stupid dog almost killed this little guy. Now where am I gonna put it, bruh? Okay, guys. Looks like I'm about to decide where to put it. I know it's weird that I'm carrying a little bird right now. Look, another dog. Hope he didn't bite it. Like, it's trying to eat it, bruh. We're about to put this somewhere safe. How about the dog? How about this in this cage? How about in this cage? Maybe I can put it here. Okay, guys, so it's in the end of the video. Let's see if it fits. Nah, man. Nah, it doesn't fit, man. Doesn't fit. So, guys, it's the end of the video. Goodbye. That scared me. Man.